Hi, Shelby. I read your email that you want to come in. Unfortunately, I'm an online instructor. I live in Michigan. And so I would like to just take a moment and kind of go over the things that I noticed you're missing. First is the week one assignment. So for this assignment here, it says part one. So there's two parts to it. What is the difference between static and dynamic tourism information? And then give examples of each. So you're going to want to first tell the difference between the two. And then you're going to want to give, 2 to 3 examples of each one. So you're going to look in your materials for that. You can also use the internet and Google the difference between the two and look for some examples and put this on your Word document. So that's part one on the assignment. Part two is to visit this website. So you're just going to click on it, go to the website, and it says what type of information is available on this site and how could a consumer use this site. So when we're talking about this, if you click on it, just look through it and start typing what kind of information you can see on this site. And then you are a consumer, right? Anybody who shops is a consumer. So how could you as a consumer use this site? You're going to put all of this information from parts one and part two all on a Word document, and it should be between 1 and 2 pages long. Okay, it'll be double spaced, 12-point font, no cover sheet needed. All right, so that's that part that you're going to do. And then I noticed that you were missing the week one discussion, so let's go there. The week one discussion says, why is tourism such an information intensive industry? Explain and give some examples. So in this discussion, this information is actually covered in the week one material when we talk about information intensive. But think about how we use information in the tourism field or industry, right? So, for example, cookies gather information when you go to the different sites, when you're trying to load up information from maybe you're using the Hopper site, to get the lowest airfares, or maybe you're on hotels.com. They're gathering information as we go through. Other ways that they use information is in the hotels. Maybe they're collecting information on you and your credit card information, how often you stay in their hotel brands, etc. Maybe you're looking at the airline industry when they're gathering information about your home city and where you fly the most, and do you travel by yourself or with someone? Are you a VIP member with that particular airline? Do you usually travel with luggage or without luggage? Do you prefer the aisle seat or the window seat, and so on? So do some investigating in the materials from the the lesson in week one, and then you can answer this question. Excuse me, got a little cold. All right, and then it says you need to respond to that and also to 2 other classmates. So if you want to earn the credit for this, obviously it's going to get deducted late penalties, but you would need to answer the question and then you need to respond to 2 classmates. When you're responding, you have to say something more than just I agree. All right, then if I go to Module 2, it looks like in Module 2 you are missing the discussion question and then the reflection, but the reflection is just what you learned throughout the week. Okay, so here we have another discussion question, a little YouTube video. It says, in 2007, the World Economic Forum released 3 scenarios of digital ecosystems, which are summarized in the YouTube video below. So you actually have to watch this video. Considering IT development since 2007, which one has been the most accurate? So you're just going to watch them and then make a decision and then justify your answer. That's it. So it says justify your answer and discuss the implications of IT, which is, technology and tourism. So, but you have to watch the video in order to answer that. Okay? So in the video, it's going to talk about 3 different digital ecosystems, and then you're going to consider the developments in technology since 2007 and determine which one you think is the most accurate. Justify your answer. So that's your discussion question. Again, a minimum of 2 posts where you add something new. Don't forget to do your reflection. Those are easy 10 points. Shelby, I hope this helps. Like I said, I can't really meet with you in person. It's an online class and I'm in Michigan, but I hope this helps you submit your assignments. Thank you.